Welcome back to my channel. Way too much you guys once again. Hopefully you guys are doing well. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please go and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. So in this video I will discuss regarding the GP rating, candidate, full syllabus discussion, marks division, time management for the examination, because 300 minutes and your no, sorry not 300 minutes basically is 180 minutes and 200 marks is there. So in 3 hours 200 marks is not very easy, especially when aptitude is there. So all the things will be discussed in the whiteboard format in my laptop only. So and deck cadet and engine cadet syllabus description and all has been done, so you can go to the I button or the synergy playlist. You will find all the videos regarding it. Before moving to the topic, if you want to get your study material kit or you can say preparation kit for the synergy, go and get it from the description box. All the links given below, and special aptitude ebook is there for quick preparation for the aptitude for synergy examination. Also you can get it. Okay, so now let's move to my laptop screen. There I will show you each and every aspect of the GP rating syllabus for the synergy exam 2020. So as you can see, this is a synergy exam GP rating 2020 marks division as well as the question pattern. Okay, so let's start with that. We will face 200 question and time is 3 hours or 180 minutes, whichever is preferable you can tell. And there is at least 6 sections will be there. So navigation, cargo handling, safety, there will be 50 questions, and section B there is machinery operation, workshop practice and safety. Why so? Because as a GP rating you used to study regarding the deck and engine, both the sides, and before going to the ship you have the choice whichever you want to choose. You can choose the deck side or the engine side. Okay, so you have to face both the papers regarding the deck as well as the engine. Each paper consists of 50 marks, right? Now move to the section C to section F, that is all about your aptitude. 25 question for basic numerical reasoning, pattern recognition 25 MCQ, logical reasoning is 25 MCQ, and GK and mechanical reasoning is there 25 question. So I know a lot of syllabus is there to cover, but for GP rating examination is little time is remaining, so you can prepare for it. If you have any problem you can go for this ebook, it will be helpful for you. All the topics has been very much discussed over here, all these things. Okay, so this is the marks division and question pattern. Now we'll move to the brief syllabus, and there I will discuss lot of things regarding time management also will be discussed over there. Okay, so here is the complete syllabus you can see. Okay, so let's start. Same that 200 question, total of 100 questions will be there for the knowledge and 100 questions will be the aptitude. 1 mark will be awarded for your correct answer, and 0.25 negative mark is there, means 1/4 mark will be negative if you incorrectly answer one question. So if you incorrect 4 questions, 1 mark will be deducted from your total marks. I guess I am clear on that. Unattempted question is not marked, means no plus no minus. So I am telling once again, if you are not very sure in the sense, if you are not 100% sure, do not go for the answer, and please do not answer it. Okay, so let's move to the section A, or you can say navigation, cargo handling and safety. 50 marks is there, 50 questions is there, obviously 50 marks. So general ship knowledge, GSK, nautical terms, parts of the ship, basic navigation terms, helm's order, elementary rules and rules of the road is there. Okay, means ROR, voyage, basic flags, their uses, watchkeeping, reporting, identity, navigation equipments, mooring, anchoring terms, procedure, emergency action, lot of things are there. Cargo handling, stowage, basic level. So cargo work is the lifting equipment, so blocks, shackles, SWL equipment, rope work, safe working practices is there. Okay, so this is the part, the deck part and engine part, or section B you can say. Machinery operations, workshop practice, safety. 50 question will be there, each consists of 1 mark. Machinery, emergency equipment, ship, their purpose, basic workshop practices, says turning, fitting, arc, gas welding, cutting, drilling, etc. there. Identification of tools, safety precaution during work, identification of alarms, level measurement, lubrication and watchkeeping, basic electrical safety, electrical hand tools and the maintenance. So these things are there, I guess I've understood. So syllabus will covered as per the DG shipping circular 1 of 2018. Apart from that, 100 question from the aptitude will be there, which I have discussed the marks division earlier part of this video. So 100 questions from the aptitude. If you are wondering that how to solve aptitude, then check the description box. You will find one ebook called Synergy Aptitude Guide. You can get it from the link, and from that you can prepare, and this ebook also you can follow for quick reference and complete your syllabus as soon as possible. Okay, so now we'll move to the time management section. There I will show you how to time manage in the examination. Okay, so 100 question for that your knowledge, 50-50 means A section 50, B section 50. So this question either you know, either you don't know. Okay, so do not take more than 45 seconds per question. If you take 45 second average per question, even some question will not take 45. Okay, so that will around 4500 seconds. So if you convert in a minute, then 75 minutes will be there. Okay, means 1 hour 15 minutes. So in 3 hours, how many minutes you are getting now? 1 hour 45 minutes. Okay, so 1 hour 45 minutes, if you convert it total minutes, then 105 minutes. So aptitude question how many? 100. Okay, so 100 question is there for aptitude I am talking about. So you are getting more than 1 minute. You are getting more than 1 minute for solving the aptitude. Okay, so wisely you use that time and solve at least all the aptitude. And for GP rating, the cutoff, I guess 140 plus will be enough to get selected. That is my assumption. Okay, nothing official, but I guess so. Try to get at least 80 in your knowledge part. 75 is also okay, and at least try to get 60 to 65 in the aptitude, because I assume that most of the people are from the class 10 background. For them it is very difficult to solve this kind of aptitude. I believe that because if you have done class 12, then that is very easy for you, but if you have done class 10, it will be little not very hard, but little harder. Okay, so as per that, you try to get more knowledge part marks, and 60 to 65 aptitude is okay. Try to get 140 plus, and hopefully you will be selected. So time management discussed, your marks division, question pattern, aptitude, all the things discussed. Check the description box for the ebook if you want quick reference. It will definitely help you for the examination. Hopefully you have liked this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching once again. So guys, I guess I've understood the video and all the analysis. You can say it's a post-mortem, so all has been done very brief format. Marks division, especially the time management, what I have told you, please keep it in your mind. And cutoff, I guess 140 plus or 150 plus I think will be the better option. Obviously try to get more if possible, but at least target 150. Okay, so it will be enough for you. And negative marking is there, so do not fall into this trap. If you are very sure, then only answer. Okay, so I think you have understood all my points. Again I am telling, if you want to get your study material and preparation kit, go to the description box. You will find all the links. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Signing up for the day.